Hey, 6th grade, Miss Hollenbeck here, and I'm actually sitting in my bedroom because all my other, all the other rooms have people studying, people watching TV, too much noise out there. So I came in here, and I just want to kind of remind you of three things, three ways that you can find the simple subject and simple predicate. Three steps, and really they work best if they're kind of work together. But three ways that we talked about today to find simple subject, simple predicate. The first one, remember when I said you ask the right questions, you get the right answers. All right, and it's true that there is no silly question, but learning to ask the right question, especially in a language, can help you immensely. So, for the subject, we ask, what is the who or what of the sentence? Who or what is this sentence talking about? And then you ask, once you figure out the who or what do they do? What does the who or what do? What are they doing? Are they doing an action, or are they existing? Okay. The second thing that I want to remind you about in this reteach is to use what you know about nouns and verbs. I gave you the noun endings, all right, to help you recognize, well, oh, I think this might be it. I think it's the who or what of the sentence, and it does have a noun ending, a tion, a ness, a ity, a ty. All right, it does have a noun suffix. That might work. All right, and use what you know about verbs. Okay, verbs can end in ed. Verbs can end in ing, in s, en, n. Those are verb suffixes. And then I gave you that list of helping verbs and linking verbs. Use that list and know that if a helping verb or a verb is a verb in one sentence, it can certainly be your first choice in another sentence if it's used in another sentence, like that verb is. In our in-class, 3 different sentences had is as the simple predicate. Don't be surprised about that, all right? Its function is a verb. It sticks to what it can do best, all right? And it can be a verb best, all right? So take what you have learned in the past and apply it, what you know about nouns, what you know about verbs, and use the resources that I gave you, okay? The third thing, you're going to not only use what you know a noun and a verb to be, but also what it's not. Okay, remember our deducing, okay? How we know what it cannot be. For instance, the simple subject cannot be in a prepositional phrase. So do the 2-second ninja move. Take out the thes, take out the prep phrases, take out the adjectives, and you'll be left with a lot smaller choice for simple subject and simple predicate. All right, so not only knowing in step 2 what a noun and a verb can be, but also knowing what it's not going to be. All right? We'll never find the simple subject in the in a preposition. All right? And excuse me. And in the complete subject, there's going to be adjectives. So if you could pick out what are not nouns, you narrow your choices down. Same in the predicate. Sorry, I got something stuck in my throat and then not working for me. And then in the predicate, just ask the words, take them out, scribble them out. On your paper, scribble them out. If they cannot be the verb, get rid of them. Okay? They have no application in our lesson today. All right? So, first, once again, ask the who or what and what are they doing. Number 2, use what you know about nouns and verbs. Okay? And the third, deduce. Take out what you know cannot be the answer. Get rid of it. Okay? This lesson, once again, is due for a Wednesday or Thursday, depending on when you have me. And let's see. I think that's it. If you have questions, try to catch me before the assignment is due. All right? Usually I'll try to give you a little bit of time if there was one that just kind of stumped you, or you think you have the right idea, you just want me to check to make sure, okay, is this a helping verb? Did I get the whole verb? Okay, be careful for that. Okay, look for the whole verb. Remember that the simple predicate can be made up of as many as 4 words. Okay, a main verb can have 3 helping verbs. Let me give you an example. Will have been given. By 2 weeks from now, many assignments will have been given. All right? 3 helpers and a main verb. That whole thing is this simple predicate. Okay? So watch out for verb phrases. So if you're thinking, okay, this possibly could be a verb phrase, I want to make sure I have it all. I got to talk to Mrs. Hollenbeck. Put a mark by it, put a star by it, and ask me about it. If you have a question about it, you could bet a fellow student might. Okay? Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.